Welcome back to POW-Mr. channel. In this video, we will introduce the new POW-LTW-15A solar charge controller from two aspects: wiring and settings. Let's begin with the wiring process. The controller comes equipped with connectors on both sides, allowing for easy plug-and-play operation in the future. Start by connecting the battery connector provided in the package to the battery. Here we've connected the wiring to the exit battery circuit breaker. Alternatively, you can use wiring connector or soldering to extend the SAE wire as needed for battery connection. Once the SAE wire is connected to the battery, simply plug the built-in SAE connector from the controller into the SAE connector on the battery end to complete the battery wiring. Finally, connect the solar panel and that wraps up all the wiring work. Moving on to the LCD display in the top left corner, you will see whether there is PV input. A sound icon indicates PV input detected, while a moon icon indicates no PV input. At the bottom left, the battery icon displays the approximate battery level. The top section shows the battery type. By long pressing the battery button, you can enter the battery type setting. Then short press the battery button to toggle between the 5 options. Solid lead-acid battery, GEL battery, 4-string lithium iron phosphate battery, 8-string lithium iron phosphate battery, and custom option. After selecting, long press the battery button again to confirm and save. The numerical display panel can be toggled using the up and down keys, showing battery voltage, charging current, PV input power, device temperature, calibration voltage, system voltage, boost charging voltage, flow charging voltage, and MPPT tracking return voltage in sequence. Let's demonstrate how to set up battery charging with 2 examples. If you are using a GEL battery, simply long press the battery button to set the battery type to GEL. No further charging parameter settings are required as the controller will automatically detect the system voltage and start charging with default parameters. The same applies to SEL, F04, and F08 battery types. For other battery types, select the USC option for custom charging parameters. First, set the battery voltage to either 12 volt or 24 volt. Then adjust the boost charging voltage, flow charging voltage, and MPPT tracking return voltage according to a charging parameter specific in your battery menu. It should be noted that when the controller automatically detects or manually sets the system voltage to 24 volt, the charging parameters will still display values according to a 12 volt system voltage. However, the actual charging voltage will be twice the displayed value. Lastly, let's discuss the controller's voltage calibration function. Due to cable voltage drop and other factors, there may be some deviation in the displayed battery voltage. You can long press that to enter the voltage calibration setting and adjust the battery voltage to match the reading from the multimeter, ensuring more accurate battery charging. That concludes our guide on using the new POW-LTW-15A solar charge controller. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a wonderful experience setting up your solar charge controller system. See you in the next video.